In this video, you'll learn how to log out of Taskrabbit. This guide will walk you through the exact steps needed to successfully sign out of your account, whether you are using the app or the website. Begin by opening the Taskrabbit app on your mobile device or navigating to the Taskrabbit website using a web browser on your computer. Ensure that you are connected to the internet to access the service without interruptions. Once the app or website is fully loaded, look for the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a person or may simply be labeled as account. Click on this icon to proceed. After clicking the account icon, a drop-down menu or a new screen will appear, displaying various options related to your account. From this list, select Profile. This will take you to your account profile settings. Next, scroll down the profile settings page until you find the option labeled Logout. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the page. Click on Logout to initiate the sign-out process. Upon clicking Logout, you may notice a brief loading indicator as the app or website processes your request. Once the action is completed, you should be returned to the login screen of the app or website confirming that you've successfully logged out. It is important to remember that logging out ensures your account remains secure, especially if you are using a shared device. In addition, if you experience any issues during this process, checking your internet connection can help resolve loading problems. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.